this is it. So I'm going to unbox my SEPHORA product. I just got it today, and the amount I paid for this one is 1,370 pesos via cash on delivery. So far, this is how it looks like.
That's
a typical LBC plastic bag.
Plastic bag is so cool, and this order my mom.
Oh, sige, pasog ka dun, anak. Okay, so let's open it real quick.
You click open it like that. Oh, so cool, guys. Cool.
Oh, dito ka na.
It's so cute. Wow, that's the older.
There you go. SEPHORA. So, ito, Aramex. Both sides have the SEPHORA, and then it's really secured.
This one.
It's secured.
Secured it.
So let's open and let's see what's inside. Okay, so here we need to pull this up. Pull. There. So once you open this SEPHORA box, ta-da! What you can see here is a very nice SEPHORA logo and color. Black and white, and then you have the SEPHORA.
And the white one.
So again, guys, this is worth 1,370. I'm very excited. First item. Wow, it's so nice. May. So nice. Oh my gosh.
And
Bonus brush storage. We have here Real Techniques. Sound
yeah,
and
Mom.
Unique.
Mom, look.
Right.
Look, Mommy. Look.
We have 4 brushes inside.
Mommy, look.
Oh my gosh, guys,
Look
this is so nice.
This ones, guys.
And then at the back.
Mom, look it. Open. I'm go open it, guys.
And then we have here SEPHORA face mask. So these are their free samples, guys. I just paid for the brush, and then these are their free one. So here we have Dr. Dennis Rose.
And these lipsticks.
Guys, look at this. We have lips. May, wait, May. SEPHORA Rouge. Ayan, basta yan. Lipstick. And then, next, they have here, La La Retro whipped cream, kind of, there. So nice.
I'm going to open it. What is this?
And the Fenty Beauty. Such a little box from Fenty Beauty. These are their samples. There. So let's open this Fenty Beauty. Nothing, guys. That's it for the SEPHORA box.
Let's open this. What the heck? Where's that?
Fenty Beauty. It's so nice. It comes with a very small packaging. Insta Pro filter in cashew. There you guys. Fenty Beauty.
This everyone.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Have this. Oh my gosh.
This is my brush.
That's it for the Sephora box worth
See?
1,370.